Hi guys, and welcome to temperature conversion tutorial. I'm going to first of all start by just creating the function. So let's call that Celsius, and this is a Python tutorial. I'm going to call that Celsius to Fahrenheit. There we go. And I'm just going to enter Celsius in there. That'll be the argument I'll take in the conversion function. So I would then say return Celsius, and Celsius is going to be multiplied by 9 divided by 5. We close that bracket and we then add 32 to it. So what's happening in here is whatever you enter for Celsius is divided by 9 and multiply, and then we add 32 to it. So you guys can still remember your board maths. You should be able to work that out. So the next thing is we'll come down here, create another function. This one is going to be for Fahrenheit. So let's just cut that off and paste it here. And let's cut this off as well. That's Fahrenheit to Celsius. And in here, I'm just going to enter Fahrenheit for the arguments in there. And here, I'm going to enter Fahrenheit as well. But in this case, I'm going to subtract. Let's subtract 32 and just get rid of all of these and come right here, multiply that by 5 divided by 9. Just if you look at it, if you look at the formula, it's just kind of like in a reverse order. Okay. You then want your system to print out as follows. Let's say print. I want you to print the following. Let's say temperature converter. That will be my title. Close that. I actually have this very tutorial on YouTube using graphical user interface. But this time around, I'm just using command lines. Alright, so the next thing is I'm now going to come in here. Your first is going to be enter, let's say convert. You can just say convert that to Celsius. Please paste this in here. Convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. So convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. Paste. Okay, so that is the first one. The next one is going to be convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, something like that. So let's grab all of these and change one here to 2, and just move things around. Convert Fahrenheit to. All right, done. So I'm now going to create a variable. I'll just call that choice. So choice equals input. This input is going to ask you to enter your choice. That's going to be between 1 or 2. If you notice, between 1 or 2 that I'm talking of is this is 1 and this is 2. So between 1 or 2, and let's close that off. And we then use an if statement. If the selection made, which is choice, if that is equals 1, in that case, so that's going to be Celsius. That would be equals, there's a float, and the input in this case is going to be, I'll just say enter temperature in Celsius. All of these, so enter temperature. in Celsius. There we go. So we need to then print that out. Okay, so let's print out whatever you've entered. So right there, I'm just going to say print. First of all, let's convert it. F, if you enter F always converts strings character to whatever you want. So I'm going to say Celsius is very one, but it's going to be in a curly braces because it's a defined function. Celsius in curly braces. The output is going to be, let's enter sign of percentage in there, and uppercase C is equal to, and we also need to just enter this in curly braces. That's going to be all of the functions in there. Equals to, grab hold of all of these because I'm now calling this function in here now. Paste that here, and the end result is going to be Celsius in a bracket, and close that up there. And out here, because it's converted to Fahrenheit, so we just enter F in here. Paste that in here. F, close that off, and close up the bracket. So that's the first one taken care of. Now we need to use else if. So I'm going to come down here and just say else if the second choice, that is equals to 2, in that case equal calculation is going to be based on Fahrenheit. So grab over Fahrenheit, dump it right here, and Fahrenheit is going to be as follows. Just copy all of these, paste it here, and we change this to Fahrenheit. Next, we now want to print out. So I'm going to grab hold of all of this again, just change it around instead of typing. Copy this, come right down here, paste, and in here that's going to be Fahrenheit. So have hold of this, paste it right here. That's Fahrenheit, and change Celsius to Fahrenheit. It's equals to Fahrenheit to Celsius. Copy, paste there, and here that's going to be Fahrenheit right there. And here we change this to Celsius. There we go. Else. So else we can just say print out the following. Maybe you've entered the invalid choice. Please select one or two. There we go. Done. So let's try this out. So first of all, I'm going to save that file. Let's save it as temperature converter YT. Save it. Click on run. There we go. You see, entire choice. If you enter, let me enter 5. You see that's invalid. Okay, let's run it one more time. Come right here, run. enter 2 there. And I'm going to enter my temperature. Let's say minus 40. Minus 40, we always return minus 40. Minus 40 degrees Celsius. That is always a checkpoint. Okay, remember that. You can Google that and you find out. So let's check out other. Let me see 32. Let's see invalid. So let's enter another one. Run again. Make a choice. One. Enter 32. 32 gives me that. So with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this brief tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed it. And please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also join to become a member of the channel. You all have a nice day now. Bye for now.